Hey guys, so today I'm going to be giving this girl a makeover because I have nothing to do. So, mhm. Okay. It's freaking. Okay. Okay. I feel so awkward. Like, oh hey. Someone said hi. Okay. Hurry up and load. Okay, so many people are saying hi. Finally. Okay, as I was saying, I'm so awkward. Like, it's so awkward. It's so awkward asking people for their password because oh thank you. Because like it's like, okay, so I'm gonna need your password because it seems like a hacker. Thank you so much. Shout outs to her. Okay, so I'm gonna show you her username and the shout outs go to her. Hold on. Okay, so here's her username. Okay, guys, make sure to add her. She's on USA server. She's judge and she's level 26. Her username is XX. I don't know how to say. I don't know how to pronounce names. Oh my god, this girl just got VIP. Congratulations. Her user is Pink Coconut. Yeah, congratulations, girl. I know that feeling. Okay, so I have to say P because P, the regular P, won't work. Um. Forgot the love sign, whatever it's called. Ooh. Also, she's recording. Shout outs to her too. I tried giving her a makeover, but she won't answer. So, yay. No, no, don't send gifts. It's not a mail time. Oh, um, okay. No, sorry, sir. Okay then. Okay then, not the. This is so annoying. Okay then, look, makeover. Oh my god, what did I say? I don't know. Capital works. Then no capital. And too bad. I guess. Oh! Fucking MSP. Okay, okay then. Sorry for the background noise. How many minutes long is this video? 4 minutes already. Sorry if it's too boring. Well, I basically have nothing to do, so. To be honest, I do not need gifts. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, this outfit's, it's okay. But I love the top. It's free, so, oh my gosh. I already have this in the same color, but too bad. Okay. As I said, let's not get off topic. Or should I do mealtime? Nah, I don't need gifts. Okay, look. Ooh, she has some cute stuff. Warning. I think I'm about to burp. Okay, never mind. Maybe. Okay. Take off all this stuff. Oh, the lips. The lips. It's okay. So, she doesn't really have that much hair. Who the heck is mowing the lawn? Okay. No, I don't know. Okay, I'll just go with this one. I don't really like accessories. Comment down below if you agree with me. I'm not the girl who puts like so many accessories like people do. Like, yeah, I need this, all of this. People always do that, like especially high schoolers. They put like everything they can. Like, look at this. Ooh, the flower was cute. I want to keep that on. No! Oh, my arm's getting tired. Okay. I usually pick the hairs last to go with the outfit. But yeah, whatever. Ooh, never mind. I'm actually not gonna wear the flower. No. I'm gonna wear shorts because, yeah, it's a dress. Black. No, pink. Yes. There's not much stuff. Ugh. Sorry if this look is bad, but it's her fault. I'm just kidding. Okay, the makeup. The makeover is done. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's. No. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, hashtag works. Okay, no! Oh, 9 minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys like this boring video, then give it a thumbs up, cause that makes me a little bit more better. So, Ooh, pets. Okay. 72. Okay. We're getting off topic, but yeah. Please subscribe if you're new, and yeah, peace.